Mike McLean here with 3dprintedparts.com. Today we're listing an sPRO 60 SD by 3D Systems. This is a high-speed selective laser sintering machine. The SD machine is really a entry-level SLS machine. It features a build volume of 15 by 13 by 18 in the Z. The machine has an open parameter set. So you can run a variety of materials. There are 8 standard materials, DuraForm materials from 3D Systems, including glass-filled, fiber-filled, aluminum-filled, and then a couple different variants of nylon. This is really a pretty solid machine. It's a 2013, and if you'll continue watching the video, you can see it in action. Thank you. The sPRO 60 SD, again, is a great entry-level machine. This one has been used primarily for shop fixture production as well as end effectors for an injection molding operation. They've used a variety of materials, including the DuraForm PA and DuraForm AF, which is an aluminum-filled material. Because of the open parameter set and offline material handling, this is a very useful machine for people who would like to change out materials. It also features a bidirectional recoder, which allows for a little faster cycle time between layering. Once again, the build height is 15 by 13 by 18, and we're happy to offer this used machine. Thank you.